Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where your battery sensor is located. Make sure you stay with us. We'll explain where the fuse for the battery sensor is located and we'll explain where the sensor is located. Very important function guys of that sensor for your charging system. So if you have problems related to your battery sensor, you always check that fuse first. So that should work on generation year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. This is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. If you look at it guys right here, this is your battery current sensor. That's very important guys, the sensor. So if you have problems, code or anything related to that sensor, always check the wiring harness, make sure it's good, make sure it didn't corrode. Sometimes battery acid can damage it as well, it can damage the wire. Sometimes if you replace battery, maybe somebody forgot to plug it in. If not guys, this is the fuse box. You have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up. And right here on the inside guys, okay, if you look at it, if you come, this is the layout of the fuse box and everything corresponds to what we have specifically here. If you look at it guys this way, okay, that sensor right here, it's known as AMS. Okay, I'm trying to focus here. AMS, it's supposed to be 15 amp fuse. So check it out now. Okay, it's that fuse right here. Okay, check this one out. Grab the fuse puller which is located right there. Squish, go on top of the fuse, pull it, okay, like that, and drop it. You have some spare fuses that you can use from right here. You have a 15 amp, but what I would recommend guys, always test the fuse. Okay, not just assume that it's a good fuse. Sometimes it looks like a good fuse but it's a bad fuse, and if you do that, you put it in, you start spending more money, time, effort to fix your car. It's not worth it guys. All we have to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad and replace it. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to do that in practically a few seconds. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. And if that doesn't fix your problem with the battery current sensor guys, what we'll recommend, okay, replace it next. We'll have a video on the channel that will explain how to replace it. You will need to properly disconnect the car battery, otherwise you can burn the engine computer. Okay, you can find the video in the description of the video below how to properly connect and disconnect the battery. Get the clamp loose, disconnect the wire and get that bolt loose and replace the whole cable. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.